like a TV thingy. Do you mind opening this box?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet.
So guys, look what's inside. Yeah. What is it? K14 by Ulanzi.
Ooh.
Video accessories. So simple, so clean.
It's very compact, very portable. You can stuff it in a backpack. Fits right in. Minimalistic looking. So it's a stand for your phone. And it has a light up here. Slide it forward. So you kind of just like hold it, slide the top part with your thumb forward.
Whoa.
And then you just pull this. And then you can move this other piece forward like so, like that.
So now we put the rod upright.
And then there's a little accessory pouch right here with all your accessories. The phone holders and such.
So when you're like doing a cooking video, a lot of creators right now use their phones. Alright guys, so if you want to check this product out, you can find the link in the description. We would love for you to try it as well because we both think it's amazing and we think you should try it too.